Today I want to show you El Silic. We're in the key of G and we need a couple of C bars followed by a G chord. Okay? So we have a C note, and then I slide from 5 to 7, ring finger, and that's my C triad, right? See that? And then I need that pinky note. That's a B flat, and that's the flat 7 in the C chord, right? Just play it here. This is fret number 8. We stop there. Okay, and then we continue with, okay, slowly slide up, and we have that B flat, and we slide into a B natural, open G, just like, you know, that movement here, right on the G string. One more time slowly. Alright, there you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. If you want to have more lessons on flat picking guitar or acoustic guitar, bluegrass guitar, just go to my website, robertodallavecchia.com. You can also join my instructional channel. It's called Flat Picking Experience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.